Hey guys, it's Amanda, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I've been eating during the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy and subscribe. I have a protein shake every single morning. I just got this new whey protein. This is the flavor chocolate brownie. This whole shake basically just tastes like a Reese's cup, but it's pretty healthy. Okay, so I just grabbed my shake and a big glass of ice water and head upstairs to do a pre-stretch before I go on my run and then come back and do my workout. So yeah, I basically just drink my smoothie protein shake as I do my stretch just to kill time.
I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love.
So around 1 o'clock I have my lunch, which this is my go-to. I basically make different variations of this every single day. So I crack one egg, I do about half a cup of egg whites and make a base for an omelet. I cut up around 5 mushrooms. I'm obsessed with mushrooms. You can use whatever veggies you want, and I just saute those with a bit of butter.
I'm losing myself.
As those are sauteing, I'm cutting up around like 5 little pieces of brie to put in the omelet as well. Grabbing arugula, which is my go-to green ATM, and making a salad. So literally very basic, just arugula, and then I'm making a dressing with some olive oil, balsamic, pepper, salt, lime juice. I often have a little green salad if I'm having eggs for lunch.
With your love. With your love. I'm losing myself. Losing myself. I'm losing myself tonight.
Once the omelet has cooked enough, I pop on the brie cheese, pop on the mushrooms. This is the best combination ever, and I just go to town. It's pretty amazing. I always take my vitamins after I eat lunch. I have a fish oil one and then honestly a vegetarian one, which I don't need because I'm not a vegetarian, but it's just like a multivitamin. I had a quick little snack of unsweetened applesauce and cinnamon around 4 o'clock. Okay, dinner time, super exciting. This is my favorite thing to eat right now. I do a Caesar salad, and I basically cook up some brown rice and put it in just as something extra to keep me going. Sometimes salad doesn't fill me up, but I didn't have any brown rice once I started making the salad, so I just used basmati rice, which isn't as healthy, but if you prefer, go off. I'm just using some romaine lettuce, washing that up. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of Caesar dressing, and this is the dangerous part because it's so good and I want to eat the whole bottle, but 1 tablespoon is 90 calories, not bad at all, so we're sticking with that. And then I add on some lemon, a lot of lemon. Obviously my bowl is way too small for the amount of lettuce I've used, but I am mixing it as best as I can, and then taking half a cup of my basmati rice, popping that on top, and then adding my Parmesan cheese, which, let's be honest, this is the only reason I made this salad. I'm gonna go off with this one. I'm using quite a lot. I might have not included in the video. I love Parmesan. I can't lie, so okay. Around 7 o'clock, I have oatmeal. I do this every single day. It's the last meal of the day, so I know I'm not going to be eating after this. It really helps with a late night snacking. I just recently started using almond milk instead of water to make the oatmeal, and it's way better. It's so creamy. While that's cooking, I grab 5 strawberries and I put those in the microwave to get them like super delicious and juicy. Then I drizzle in a teaspoon of maple syrup. I add in some sliced almonds. I honestly switch up my toppings all the time depending on what I have, but this combination was literally amazing. Like, I honestly have never eaten something so good. I like to add my toppings while the oatmeal is cooking just so that it all cooks together nicely and all the toppings are hot. Lastly, I add on some dark chocolate, like cocoa nibs. You definitely don't have to do this, but I love chocolate, so definitely not skipping this step. That is everything that I eat in a day while doing Chloe Ting's 2-week shred. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.